Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to start exercise 3.1. In previous class, I had solved some problems from exercise 3.1, and now I am going to start question number 9 of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. In 9 number question, in question number 9, fill in the blanks. In 9 number question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 33 square minus 32 square. 33 square minus 32 square is equal to 33 plus 32 into 33 minus 32 is equal to 65 into 1 is equal to 65. So fill in the blanks. We can write line number 65 number. 65. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Similarly, you can solve 25 square minus 24 square. 2 number question. 25 square minus 25 4 square. Using identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using this formula, you can write 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24 is equal to 49 into 1 is equal to 49. In this way, you can fill in the blanks. In question number 11, type 2, type 1 question, type 2, type 2, type 2. In type 2 question, fill in the blank 7 square plus 8 square is equal to, fill in the blank. 2 number question, 11 1 number. 1 number question is 7 square plus 8 square. 7 square plus 8 square plus dot dot plus square blank is equal to 7 square plus 8 square plus 9 square. 7 square plus 8 square is equal to 1156 is equal to 7 square plus 8 square plus, in the blanks, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 56 a plus is equal to 57 square is equal to 57. 7 गुना 8 is equal to 7 into 8 is equal to 56. I is equal to 57 square. So formula in your book given using the formula, you can solve 7 into 8 is equal to 56 square बराबर 57 स्क्वायर. Similarly, you can solve the two-number question of 10 square, two number 10 square plus खाली जगह स्क्वायर प्लस 1 से 10 110 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू खाली जगह का स्क्वायर. हियर वी इंसर्ट 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 11 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 11 स्क्वायर प्लस 110 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 111 स्क्वायर. टू नंबर of 11 number is equal to 10 square plus 11 square plus 110 square is equal to 111 square. You can solve. Now in 12th number question, in 12th number question, which of the following numbers are perfect squares? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी संख्या पूर्ण वर्ग है? तो remember, a perfect square is that number which is a square of any natural number. Here we see that 225, one number 225 is a perfect square number. Is a perfect square number because it is a square of because it is a square of 15. A perfect square number is that number. Remember the definition of perfect square number. Perfect square number is that number which is a square of any natural number. Here we see that 225 is a perfect square number because it is a square of 15. Similarly 298,116 is also a perfect square number, and 345 is not a perfect square number. In type 3, which of the following triplets are Pythagorean triplet? निम्नलिखित में से कौन से त्रिक पाइथागोरीय त्रिक हैं? 1 number question, 30 number. Three numbers are in Pythagorean triplet if the sum of the square of two numbers is equal to the square of third number. Here 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. Here 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 is equal to 10 square. Hence 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. To find the Pythagorean triplet, three numbers are in Pythagorean triplet if sum of the square of two numbers is equal to the square of third number. Here in 6, 8, 10 we see that 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to adding is equal to 100. As you know, 100 is equal to 10 square, hence 6 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. In this way, you can solve all questions of this exercise taking help from examples. You can solve. In next class, I will solve your problem. If you have any problem, then I will solve your problem, and you will try to solve all problems taking help from examples. Thank you.